To our first quarter. Full down Indiana's got Ryan Notbar. And here's the full down five. There's Atlan Torco and CJ. Sabino, and Pazona Doralisma catches for three. And three for the next one. And Fernanda passing and Correa catches it three. Hits. Entrada daw sa glang, here's Torco on the out. It is the first lap. And 2-4 Torco. Entrada sa glang, long piece, down sa back, stands. 4-2. Passes the Zona. That's a good shot, Peter. And 2-4. John Gomez. 5 seconds to lock. Entrada na sa glang, bounce the Torco, turn around and move for two. And here's a fast break. Here's the full tap. CJ Gonzalez. Ledesma, fake, all the way up. And Wilson's 2-4 Ledesma. Rebound by Cajes. There's Ledesma, Quintana, all the way back to two. Golay from Looper, 4-2. 8 seconds again, Persona, another release, 2-4. He's weakless. And Stamatan all the way to the basket, East Kaya. Off, rebound by Ryan, to the Botana, Cajas, yes, 2. He's 35 seconds left. There's Persona. Sabino well, and 2. It's 45 seconds. CJ Gonzalez on the move, catches it through. 14 seconds to shoot. Also has and 2-4. And here's the full down. Gonzalez another 2 more. 14 to shoot. And shot clock. Very well, and 4-2. And Chabate to CJ Gonzalez. 1 minute and 40 seconds. And a quick pass, and 2. Ego to CJ, and body in 4-2. And Manayan pass to Ego, pulls a breaker from deep. Diamante, pass it to Domino. Domingo, patches for three. And here is a 2. Madaya, carries it on. 5 to shoot, but in for 2. Carries it on, patches from downtown. And underneath, the second play to the wall. Patches and through. 40 seconds to shoot. Madaya, pass to Diamante. Fake, drives, carries it on. And Kupal. 2. Diamante on the move. Sanchez and 2 for Chapote. And here's John Gomez for 2. 12 second shot clock. Back to shoot. Panaya for 3. And here's Navales. Gomez for Amigo. Gomez fake. It's in order for 2 for John Gomez. Up to 4-point lead. Here's 14 second shot clock. Madaya, quick pass to Kupal. Sabi ng bus driver. 15 second shot clock. There's it on. Kupal for 2. Pass to Rigo. Oh, 10 seconds to shoot. And bounce 2-4. Vargas Love. And here's a bounce break on this one. It's Rigo for 2. Up for second quarter. And Masaglang here on the top. Tinamino, Kupal, quick pass, and 2 points. Here is the 40 seconds. There's Endang, quick pass, from baseline, here's Taya. With his feet. And he's done. And converts for 2. And a bonus for 3. And our East, Julio. 41 against 50. That point in. Masaglan. And good pass to Turco. And another down. And Masaglan to Turco. Back to Andang. Passes for 3. Down. Alba natira sa taas. And very open for Andang. 10 seconds. 3. And 5 seconds. And on the second quarter, for 2. Masaglan to Turco. There's a 3. And now break the pass. And 3 for 3. And 3 go for 3. To the bonus, just for 3. And rebound for El Rodrigo. Ejala. Head to shoot. And 3 points will come. 64-47. And Marquis by Elmer. Here's John Gohas. Like the rest. Page puts it up. Yazzie. Laid it on. Corey Campo. Fake. And easy 2-4. Warren Chilton. And Taylor. And 2-4. On top. Ron Bumadaya. There's a pass to Fake. And down from baseline. Moving down and 2-4. 70-49. There's a move from Ryan Torazuna. Make the big one in Chestnut. And 5 from me. 4-3. And it's Salvador. There's from the Oracle right-hander Fuller. Up to the top, double kanan. Quick pass. There's Kakas. Igor space. Their basket count. May kasama pang Asa Magaya. There's Salas for 3. And Sergio Gonzalez. Noel to Trasona, 14 shot clock. Fader. Rebound by Kahas. And Pence Joseph Rudy. Estalas. And Gonzalez has his gear. And Trasona. 3 for Roy. Offensive rebound to a block and shot clock. Yahoo for 2. 21-20-point lead. Villarroel, rebound by Kahas. Kahas fake, catches it through. After this game, we check the game against Arlo IC Bar. Sean Cars. And fake, Grimes, Looper, for 2. There's a rebound to the zona. Sergio Gonzalez hahawak dito. And he's 2 for double turner. And down for 3. 3 boys and done. 2 for the Cars. 40 seconds. And John Cars. Arizona pass back to Kahas. Kahas all the way to the basket. And 2. And Ryan Tarazona. Yes. And it's Mataya. Ilagay na balas. Ryan Tarazona. And the move. And 2 for Ryan Tarazona. Mataya on the move. Here's the on. Drop the line. 2 for Mataya. There's Tarazona na balas. All the way to the basket. Here's Tanaya. 5 seconds to shoot. Here's Kupa. Marpati. 6 minutes and 30. Ryan Tarazona. And offensive rebound, Video Word. In the shoot. Here's it ends. And down the middle. Here's open. Great. Chandler uses the last word. Double flash. And Tarazona. That's good. Pass break to Ryan Tarazona all the way to the basket. And read it through. There's Malaya. There's the lead. And the shoot. Loading Campo for three. The boys for Torrey Campo. 25 seconds in the clock. Lempanas. With peace. Villaruel on the move. There's good time for 2 points. Prep to shoot. There's the lead. There's Malaya. 5 shot for 3. 3-4. Montana. Out the number official and group PH. And it's for 2 points. There's Tarazona. Here from the top. And 3 for Roy Tarazona. 10 seconds to shoot. Here's Scuba. 8 seconds shot clock. And 3-4 and done. Here's the beside the Melbourne Lock. 3-4 Gumbo. 14 shot clock. Last 1 minute. And for the winner, the Connoisseur 95. Fulham Gabriels. All right, our next game, championship game, semi-final.